Hello guys, this is my update on the B5N2 Kate build. Now, as I close the fuselage, I tried to fit the figures into their respective seats, but unfortunately I cannot place properly the pilot figure. So fortunately, I haven't permanently closed the fuselage yet. That is why I painted the figures, as you can see here, following the Tamiya instructions. And fortunately, I managed to sit them properly. Then later, I will close the fuselage. One key here is to close the fuselage. It's called dry fitting. You close the fuselage and then I try to fit the figures, but unfortunately, it doesn't work out that way for the pilot. So here you go. I use Tamiya paints, and here are the paints that I used for my figures. Japanese Navy figures, which a friend of mine gave me. Here. And then another update is the torpedo. Here, I put out the fin extensions on the rear, the anti-roll fins over there on the front. You can see the white sheet styrene there. Those are the updates I made. So this is now a torpedo bomber, not anymore a high-level bomber. Furthermore, I also built up the ailerons, the flaps, not ailerons. Please forgive me. This is the flaps of the wings. But anyway, please stay tuned. I'll close the fuselage. I can now close the fuselage and then proceed with the work. Guys, one other thing. It's normal for me to join the upper wing with the fuselage halves. Number one, to keep the proper wing dihedral as the kit manufacturer has designed it to be. And number two, keep the joint or the seam clean. Okay, that would be all for today. Please stay tuned for the succeeding parts, and please feel free to comment if you have any questions about this build. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.